I get asked a lot about self-watering planters, and despite what a whole lot of people think, they don't actually water themselves. They don't walk over to the water source and actually put water in themselves. So I wanted to explain what a self-watering planter really is. And what they basically are, it's super simple. I'm gonna take this plant out so you guys can see inside. It is a planter. It can be ceramic, it can be plastic, but it has a tray underneath that's used to hold the water that when you water the plant, instead of it all flowing out the bottom in drain holes, it actually holds some of it in the bottom so that it can have a little more time until you can water it again. So you can wait a little longer until it's next water. It's not a ton longer, so you can see how little amount of water this might hold. And then the plant, as it sits here, the roots will soak it up from this reservoir that's below. Now this one comes as a self-watering planter. You've seen them in all the stores, but you can actually make your own with just a simple tray. You want to make sure that the tray that you get for your pot is snugly fits and doesn't let the pot sit down in the water. You want it to hover over the water just slightly, and it'll do the exact same thing as this planter will. It'll probably save you some money too.